What's up, YouTube? Back at the RC house. About to give y'all an update on the X Maxx. I'm starting to build on it. Y'all can see I put the energy arms together. They looking good. Got them put together. All 4 of them. My pieces I told y'all I was gonna die. They came out pretty good. See the shock towers. Everything came out pretty good on the die tip. Then I told y'all how I was gonna put that hardener in there. Just want to show y'all how I put this JB weld down in these cracks. Try to give it a little strength. I'm gonna be doing the same thing for this one. And I'm gonna be putting some down in here. Both sides. Fill it up like a cup. Let it harden up. Give it a little more strength. Just wanted to bring y'all that quick update. My center chassis, I dyed that. It's all black. Look good. Got my shock housings. Didn't wore out. Put them on. Got oh yeah. Got that. Gonna be turning a little different. Yeah, I went on and got the Traxxas stock one. Like I say, I ain't want to get that save box and go through all that trouble they be going through to put them in there. But yeah, I'm about to start putting it back together. I just wanted to bring y'all that little video. My other piece I dyed. My top brace and my little piece right here. Yep, it's looking good. And this. Yep, had to get that too. Dyed it all up. Yeah, I still got to get me some new tires, paint and lights. Got a little bit of paint. Got some of this. Try to see what this about. Transparent orange, translucent. Yeah, translucent orange, and I got the regular orange. Probably gonna do the orange and blue. But yeah, I was just giving y'all that little update at the RC house. Excuse me, it's a little dirty in here, I know. It's work time, baby. That's how I get when it's work time. Yep. I'll be back at y'all when I put some of this together, show y'all how it's looking. Alright, YouTube. Thanks for watching.